Alright, so I've got a beautiful olive wood Beltuna Studio 2. This is a 5-row C-System chromatic button accordion. Check out the beautiful wood veneer all over the instrument. It has 62 treble buttons, which gives you 38 different tones, and 60 bass buttons. The lowest note is F sharp, and the highest note is G. It has 2 reeds in the treble, arranged middle-middle, with 3 switches, and 4 reeds in the bass. Here's your clarinet and violin. So I'll play something for you so you can hear what it sounds like.